Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 7 video lessons. This is your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well. So my dear learners, we are dealing with our unit number 2 with the title Etiquettes of Travel and Transport. This will be our lecture number 1 with the competency of grammar. It's our very first lecture. My dear learners, let's talk about our students' learning outcome and let's see that what we are supposed to do in this lesson. So our students' learning outcome is identify, apply and use apostrophe with nouns in reading and writing. My dear learners, we will learn about apostrophe. Apostrophe is that comma that you put at the end of the word followed by s to show possession. I hope that you have remembered it and you have already used it in your writing and you can recognize when it is written. So we will identify, apply and use apostrophe with nouns in both our reading and writing. This is our SLO. Now here is our vertical linkage with this SLO with the previous grade. Moving on, we have an interesting brainstorming session for you with a question that why do we use the punctuation mark apostrophe? And we know that apostrophe is denoted by this comma that we use at the unlike comma that we use in the lower part of our line, we use it at the upper part of the line. So you can either write this comma or just put a little mark, an indication of apostrophe. So why do we use the punctuation mark apostrophe? Pause the video, think about it. Why is it used? Yes, it is used for your contractions, it is used for showing possession, but we will learn about apostrophe. So from your book, let's read use of apostrophe for possession. We will be using apostrophe for showing possession. So in general, only an animate noun has the possessive case form. Animate nouns are nouns that are of living things. It denotes a certain object, quality or an attribute that belongs to a living creature or living thing. For example, anyone's control. Now in this phrase anyone's control, you can see the use of apostrophe here with this comma and followed by s. It shows possession of anyone with the noun control. Now the teacher's diary is also showing possession. An apostrophe is used to show possession. Aslam's book or the elephant's trunk. So all these are showing possession by using the apostrophe after and then after we use s so that we can show possession with the noun with the following noun or any part of speech. Now let's see from your page number 10. Do you remember that the possessive case of singular nouns is formed by adding the apostrophe s? For example, the cat's leg. The cat is singular, hence we use our apostrophe simply. The possessive case of plural nouns is formed just by adding an apostrophe, like here. The boys is a plural noun. If we want to show possession of this noun with boys, we know that boys is plural, hence we just add our apostrophe mark at the end. Now let's see. Let's talk about an inanimate object, non-living things, non-living objects. An inanimate object such as a chair or a window cannot own anything. The relationship must be indicated by using a prepositional phrase. Therefore, we speak and write not about the chair's leg, rather we say the leg of the chair. So when we use animate nouns, we can say that Arif's chair or Hamza's book. But with inanimate objects, we cannot say chair's leg. We have to say leg of the chair. Let's see some examples of using apostrophe with plural nouns to show possession. Here it is used with a singular noun, dog's owner. You can clearly see that apostrophe is used followed by s. But here, can you see the dog's owner? Because we have more than one dog, you can use the apostrophe at the end without adding an additional s. So this is the difference between singular nouns possessive case and plural nouns possessive case. Now we have some examples. Apostrophes for possession is to show something belongs to one person. Helen's shoes was pretty. Helen's shoes was pretty. Now we have some more examples where you can see them before the apostrophe and then after using the apostrophe. Now some more examples of using apostrophe with plural nouns. So here the farmer's market is very busy. So if you want to put apostrophe, we would say the farmer's market is very busy, followed by apostrophe at the end without using an additional s. You can read the other examples by pausing the video. My dear learners, for a better understanding, we have provided a simulation video for your understanding. You can find them easily in the description of the video. You can play it using your presentation or PPT also. Now, let's talk about the classroom activity that we will do. We have a question. Read the following passage and add apostrophe marks where needed. Now that you know that how you can use apostrophe for possession both for singular and plural nouns. Here's your worksheet and also your homework. On page 10, write 10 sentences using possessive pronouns and add apostrophe to the singular and plural forms. So here for your homework, you have to use both the singular and plural nouns to show possession. My dear learners, we are here at the end of the lesson with some resources like worksheet, your presentation, a lesson plan, a question bank, and also a skill sheet. All these are attached in the description of the video. Thank you for listening to the video lesson. I hope that you have understood the use of apostrophe, why do we use it, and in both singular and plural cases for showing possession. I hope that you have fully grasped it. Until the next video lesson, this is your instructor Zia Hamid signing off. Allah Hafiz.